How to check daily limit on Chase app 2025. Ever had a payment declined and wondered why? Most people get this wrong, but your daily limit might be the reason. Here's how to check your daily spending and transfer limits in the Chase app in 2025. Start by opening the Chase mobile app and signing in securely. Tap on the account you want to check, such as your checking account or debit card. For debit card limits, tap Manage Account, then select Spending Limits or Card Controls. Here you'll see daily purchase limits and ATM withdrawal limits. These vary based on account type, but ATM limits are often around $500 to $10 per day. For Zelle limits, go back to the main menu, tap Pay and Transfer, then Zelle. Select Settings to view your daily and monthly sending limits. Many users don't realize Zelle has separate caps, which can cause failed payments. If you're checking transfer limits, tap Pay and Transfer, then Transfer Money. Chase displays how much you can move between accounts daily. You won't believe how many people miss this. Credit card limits are not shown here. Those are based on your credit limit and available balance, which you can see on the card's main page. The surprising truth is that Chase allows some limits to be increased temporarily. You can request changes through secure messages or customer support. In 2025, knowing your limits prevents declined payments and awkward moments at checkout. Check them before large purchases and transfers. Subscribe for more simple banking tips that save you stress and time.